Once upon a time, in a bustling city filled with the sounds of honking cars and chatter of people, there lived a street cat named Shadow. Shadow was a sleek, black feline with piercing green eyes and a mischievous streak. Unlike other street cats, Shadow had a fascination with people and the way they lived their lives. One day, as Shadow was exploring the city, he stumbled upon a kind old man who was sitting on a bench, playing his guitar. The man noticed Shadow and offered him a piece of bread. Shadow, being a street-smart cat, cautiously approached the man, but to his surprise, the man wasn't trying to harm him. Instead, the old man offered Shadow a permanent home in exchange for his company. Shadow, who was used to fending for himself on the streets, was initially skeptical of the man's intentions. But as time passed, Shadow realized that the man was genuine and that he had found a true friend in him. Shadow would spend his days lounging on the man's lap, listening to his songs and stories, and in return, the man would receive Shadow's unconditional love and affection. One day, the man got sick, and Shadow knew something was wrong. Shadow refused to leave the man's side and would lay on him, purring softly, providing comfort and healing energy. The man's health slowly improved, and he credited Shadow for helping him get better. Years went by, and the old man eventually passed away, leaving Shadow alone once again. But Shadow's spirit was not broken, for he had a purpose in life now. He would roam the city, spreading love and joy to everyone he met, just like the old man had done for him. Shadow had become known as the miracle cat, and people would flock to see him, hoping to receive a touch of his magic. And so, Shadow lived out the rest of his days, spreading love and kindness, and reminding everyone that a little bit of love and companionship can go a long way in making the world a better place. And even though he was just a street cat, Shadow had a profound impact on the lives of many, and his legacy lived on long after he was gone.